after comical Piku, there is a intensive Talwar and now Jazba. So how do you opt for your script?
I just go by the instinct, if the story pulls you, if the Jazba has been made by some other director, I would have definitely considered something else. But I know that what the director is capable of doing. So you rely on director, you rely on your the way there's a bell which rings when you hear a script or when you hear your role, and that makes you decide, and you also look at the producer, whether he's going to put it, present it properly or not, all these considerations are there. But first and foremost is, there should be a, ting ting in your heart when you listen to the script.
10 years, I think, since Z entered the world of Hindi cinema with the production. If I'm not wrong, the last film was Bhagmati. So, what made you opt for this subject and as participant producers?
See, Z has entered cinema many times, and with some success, some not so successful films. I personally made Gadar for Z, which Z backed some 10 years ago. Bhagmati was one of the animations. So we, as filmmakers, as a company, we keep on experimenting. And there were a lot of other films too which were made. But now, when we saw the total environment of the business of cinema, and we saw the kind of things that are happening around, we decided to come in once again. And we were searching for something really as a first step. And when Sanjay narrated this story, and we just got hooked on, and we thought this is exactly what we want to start with. And we are here to stay. We are looking at doing a lot more films, all types of films. Some will succeed and some won't, but that's fine. I think that's business.
इरफान सर, कैसा रहा सेट्स पे ऐश्वर्या जी के साथ काम करने का, और आपका कैसा रहा अनुभव? दोनों लोग एक दूसरे का अनुभव बताएं, और कोई ऐसा खास एक्सपीरियंस जो सेट पे हुआ?
मेरा एक रीज़न इस फिल्म को करने का ऐश्वर्या जी भी हैं, बहुत बड़ा रीज़न, और मैं आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड मेरे लिए उनको जानना, उनको देखना करीब से, एंड उनका काम करने का एक जो तरीका है, और फिर इससे ज़्यादा एक्सिलरेटिंग कुछ नहीं होता कि एक माँ अपने बच्चे का ध्यान रख रही है और साथ में शूट कर रही है. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. And yesterday we just finished, we completed the film, and it was a beautiful day, and it was a great experience. It's a kind of memory I will cherish, and I loved the experience.
आप भी कुछ बताएं कैसा रहा?
I have been saying it right from the word go. He asked me another question, I answered something else because, like I said, this was the dream cast for me. And I mean, when I read the script, it was him. And I'm so glad he came on board, because it could have only been him. And it just made working every day so natural. One, it doesn't feel like work. You can see why. Like he said, the blessing Ulf curse is wonderful. He just makes it, it's very relaxed, and yet you're there to do focus work as colleagues. We have him helming it, and again, even him, I mean, when you're working even with Sanjay, I mean, here, I kept saying that before, that here, when you say Sanjay Gupta, it's, I'll use that term again, testosterone infused. I mean, there's a Sanjay Gupta movie. And, it was wonderful that he brought and evoked that energy out of us every day in such emotional and even intense moments, which just makes working together effortless. And he definitely brings that. I mean, Irfan really, really brings that out as a colleague. And like I said, you're a bad habit. In the way he says it, as it obviously a good habit. But he's a bad habit. And looking forward to, hopefully, directors willing, writers willing, many more experiences of working together. Truly.
Hi, how are you?
All good, thank you.
अच्छा ऐश्वर्या जी, हमें बताइए कि आपका ये एडवोकेट का रोल बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में दूसरे एडवोकेट के रोल से कितना डिफरेंट है?
ये आपको हमें बताना होगा फिल्म देखने के बाद.
एंड टू इरफान सर, लाइक ऐश्वर्या जी का ये कमबैक है, तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप पूरे साइडलाइन हो जाएंगे इस फिल्म में?
मुझे एक तो उन्हें कम बैक नहीं लगता, मुझे तो मुझे कभी लगा ही नहीं कि वो कभी गई हैं कहीं. एंड साइडलाइन होना कुछ अच्छी बात, बुरी बात नहीं है, अच्छा लगेगा वो. किससे साइडलाइन होना है, ऐश्वर्या का किससे साइडलाइन होना है तो अच्छी बात है, खूबसूरत बात है.
You obviously are a very private person and you don't give too many interviews. We've seen over the years that, you've kept yourself and you have you have the Khan thing that happens and we have few things. But, a lot of actors make sure that they are in the limelight, even if a movie is not there. They are doing events, seen a lot of things. That doesn't happen. Are you going to miss not doing that and keeping to yourself? We spoke to Abhishek and he told that you sometimes come on Twitter, but are you still going to keep yourself away from the social media and, all that?
The social media question is to be answered that I'm not on it. I haven't been on it so far. And when I go, sometimes it's on his account and it'll be about sharing wishes and thanking, obviously, the millions of well-wishers for all their love and good wishes, which honestly I'm very, very grateful for. People have been so generous throughout. Another reason why I've just not felt the gap or the factor that I may not have been making movies. And I'm very, very grateful for the love. And I'll go on all your handles to say precisely that and share that with everybody because I truly mean it. And I have all of you to convey that as well. So at every given opportunity of a media interaction, I pretty much obviously and genuinely will convey to all your readers, viewers, and our well-wishers for all their love and blessings and good wishes and kudos and critiquing and the good and bad and the ugly, all that goes with the turf. When it comes to making sure that you're seen and being seen, again, I think it's not about, I've never been about any kind of, there's no plan to it, there isn't any strategizing. I think I believe I pretty much am very present because, I do have a life. I mean, life is in the way and I live it as well. And I've always said that, whether it meant making movies before marriage, during marriage, literally, after marriage, during my pregnancy, also more than half of it, I was definitely present interacting with you all on various platforms. And after motherhood as well, from the third month, 3.5 months, and I was doing endorsements and appearances on that front. The reason I wasn't making movies is because I'm the kind of person who commits. I definitely respect the integrity of commitment. And I'm a very committed mother, and I'm a very committed professional. And I will not give less of myself to either aspect of my life. So when I felt it was time that I could now venture out to figure out the balance. I didn't know it. I was figuring out, I still am, I'll continue to, because life changes, and in a mother's life, I think every day is a first. Whether it's a 1-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, you've never been a mother of a 1-year-old, 3-year-old, or a 5-year-old before. So every day, and thereon, every day is a new day, and you keep discovering what's in store in your everyday. But when I felt I was ready to be able to balance the prioritizing, that's when we went ahead. I mean, Gupta and me were kind of talking for more than 6-8 months before that. He sent me the idea and he kept saying, let's meet. But his energy, and you're raring to go. Now, as a professional, like I said, once an artist, always an artist. We'll sit together. We're sitting right here and you're like raring to go completely. But life is in the way, So when we were ready, there we were on the accelerator, kicking on all guns blast, as we'd say in his lingo, and ready to, roll. And I'm glad we did when we did, because it all just seems right. It all fell in place.
Sure. Irfan, when we see the trailer, we also noticed an observation is that there's a lot of hero-bazi, the term, if you can say it. Like, you play beautiful characters, and, then there's, like, when a Shah Rukh and a Salman, you have this certain hero stardom to it when they do it with a certain thing. This movie kind of puts you in that zone, which you usually are not, you obviously are a fantastic actor. Have you enjoyed doing that? Have you enjoyed playing the hero kind of way?
I don't think it put me in that zone. My zone is my zone, and I won't. I'll keep expanding my zone. That's what the fun is. You cannot put yourself into somebody else's zone. Everybody creates their own zone, and I loved it. It's because it's a solid character, and there is a solid undercurrent. The kind of chemistry, the kind of relationship my character and Aishwarya's character is having is unseen. You haven't seen this kind of chemistry, and I loved those one-liners. The first day of the shoot, I asked Sanjay. He was directing me, and that Amitabh Bachchan wala scene. I said, one-liners कहाँ हैं? उसने कहा मैं रख रखी हैं बहुत सारी तुम्हारे लिए. And then he started narrating me one after the other, and I loved it. And that was my, something I was propelled by. I said, मुझे दो one-liner. I want to say them. So you enjoy
He can
that.
say them the way he does. When you see the film, you know that. I'm telling you, it's an art. It's an art.
हमने सुना है कुछ सिंगिंग डेब्यू भी किया है आपने इस फिल्म से. इज इट ट्रू? कुछ गाना भी गाया है आपने इस फिल्म में?
मैं बताता हूँ, अभी तक नहीं,
बिल्कुल.
बट इंटेंशन है.
तो ऐश्वर्या, कुछ इरादा हमें इस फिल्म में या इन फ्यूचर हमें कुछ गाने आपके जुबान से सुनने को मिलेंगे? बिकॉज पिछले कुछ एक सालों
फिलहाल जज्बा के बारे में बात करते हैं. फ्यूचर के प्लान्स फ्यूचर में ही बात कर लेते हैं.
बिकॉज पिछले कुछ एक सालों में कई सारे एक्टर ने गाना भी गाया है, लाइक आलिया भट्ट, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, श्रद्धा कपूर, सलमान खान.
काफी सालों से actors have sung. It's just probably maybe it's not a new thing. Actors have been singing for, I mean, Pa has been singing forever, so it's not a हाल ही में लोग actors are singing. It's probably getting obviously a lot more. It's we're trying to probably do what's natural to everybody anyways, and like I said, we all sing. आप भी गाते हैं, आप भी गाते हैं, आप भी गाते हैं, because we've all loved our cinema music. I think there's a singer in every one of us. It's about choosing to go on and explore. It's just about the choice to be made as and when you choose to do it. So there is no time frame to that as to कि अब ये हो रहा है और पहले नहीं हो रहा था. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, पहले भी हो रहा था.
मेरे लिए तो इनके सामने खड़ा होना मुश्किल था, तो वो मुश्किल थोड़ा धीरे धीरे ईज आउट हो गई बिकॉज इन्होंने ईज कर दिया उसको. दैट वाज द टफेस्ट थिंग.
ऐश्वर्या, ऑन योर लेफ्ट. ऐश्वर्या, ऐश्वर्या, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हमेशा ऐसी बातें हैं कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो काफी पिछले कुछ एक सालों में
आप सब हंस रहे थे ना पहले ही कि अभी पता है ऐसा कोई सवाल आने वाला है.
पिछले कुछ एक सालों में एज एन एक्टर क्या फील करती हैं कि ऐश्वर्या राय की पॉपुलैरिटी में कुछ एक कमी आई है, या उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी वैसे भी है जैसे पिछले कुछ एक 5 सालों में थी?
मैं ना कोई ट्रैकिंग कंपनी हूँ,
या
ना मैं कोई एनालिसिस
Give the mic
ब्यूरो
to her.
हूँ.
There are other people also to talk to.
I am an actor. I'm an actor and I'm here to do my job. ये सब आप कीजिए.
My question to you is regarding your role. How difficult was it for you to portray a traumatized mother who is about to lose her daughter and then switching off to a convincing lawyer?
That's what she does for a living.
It's kind of the job of an actor, no? I mean, this is something that we're meant to do. And we're in the able hands of the director every day on set, and with very committed, responsible colleagues. And this is what we do every day. I mean, how difficult or how convincing. Every day at work is challenging. I mean, so I don't think the word is difficult, the word is challenging, and that's what we as artists look forward to. I think if it was just a blind walk in the park, then what do you wake up and go to? What would excite you? So you're looking forward for that challenge that excites you, that, like he was saying about feeling that bell inside, it has to ring close. You know, it has to excite you. It has to evoke something to want for you to be there, and taking time out from your reality. You know, we're not leading our personal lives and coming every day to work. This is not a conventional 9-to-5 job. The job of us as artists is, in fact, very rarely defined by time. We know what time we arrive at shoot. We never know what time we're necessarily going back, because we're about there getting the moment captured. And even if life is in the way, very often we're like, okay, so when do you think we'll wrap? And very often we're about adjusting our life around that. And the only reason we do that is because we love what we do. Why else would we do that on a daily basis? So as long as we are feeling that feeling, we are there making that movie and doing that part. In terms of whether you're playing a mother, you're playing a lawyer, you're playing whatever different roles you have out there. That's what we need to bring to the table, and like you said, that's what we're there doing that job. It's our job to do that. It's our professional commitment to do just that.
So, on a music perspective, can you throw some light on what the audience can expect from Jazba this time?
Personally, for me, the music making part is the most exciting part about my movies. I love that whole process, and there's no way I could even think of a film without music in it. But having said that, this is not your conventional formula film, and these characters cannot suddenly break into a jig and they cannot start singing songs. So we are not doing that. Yeah, there's no party song in the film. So we don't have that, but yes, we do have an OST, and there will be songs which we're working on, which would be there in the OST to promote the film.
I love and respect that. We're not, again, while he obviously stated it, I think we all sit here and have that factor and commonality that we don't necessarily need to play into obvious conventional perception of the adages that necessarily go with the perception of what to expect.
Hi, I have a question for the cast and the director. Of course, it's slightly away from Jazba, but hear me out. If you feel like responding to it, you can. Basically, recently there was this infidelity website which was hacked, and the clients of which were majorly Indians. I would just want a reaction from each of you.
I think this
Why would
question.
you want to react to that?
The
Come on.
photographers, I think you all
social
can.
media, thank
If we request everyone to please stand up. We'd request the photographers to please come up and take.
क्या वो infidelity क्या?
I don't know, I don't even know.